Jai Hind, I'm Chirag Thacker, a PGDM marketing student at IIEBM Indus Business School. I belong from Dhanbad, Jharkhand, which is also known as coal capital of India. And today, I'm here to share my 2 years of journey at this amazing college and how this college has truly helped me to grow as a person. When I joined IIEBM, I was so excited and nervous at the same time. I knew I wanted to learn and achieve something meaningful, but I wasn't sure where to start. Looking back, now I can confidently say that IIEBM has been a perfect guide in helping me to discover my potential. Over the past 2 years, this college has provided me with countless of opportunities to grow, not just academically, but personally as well. The extracurricular activities, structured curriculum, industry-focused workshop and training sessions taught me how to think critically and solve problems effectively. The interaction with corporate leaders gave me the broader perspective on what it takes to succeed in the corporate battlefield. But what stands out the most is how much I have grown as a person. I have become more confident and learned how to communicate effectively and develop the ability to think on my feet, whether it was presenting any case study and taking participation in group discussion. Each and every activity pushed me out from my comfort zone and helped me to become a better person in this corporate competitive era. One of the most enriching experiences was being the head of social media committee at IIEBM. It taught me how to manage a team, plan effectively, and maintain campaigns creatively. Balancing committee work with my academics wasn't easy for me, but it taught me the importance of time management and multitasking skills, which will definitely help in my future endeavors. And yes, my summer internship program with Hindustan Unilever Limited was turning point for me. It gave me the real-world exposure to sales and marketing, and I realized whatever I had learned at IIEBM, when I was able to apply those lessons and learning in my professional setting, it was quite challenging but also incredibly rewarding for me. And now, I'm thrilled to share that I have been placed with Bluestone. This achievement wouldn't be possible without encouragement, help and guidance of our Managing Director, Dr. Jai Singh Marwa, our Dean, Dr. Poonam Nikam, all the faculty members and the placement team of IIEBM. Their constant support and encouragement in my each and every step led me to grab this opportunity. At last, I must say, if you are looking for a place to grow both personally and professionally, IIEBM is where you will find it. Jai Hind.